I'm back again. Here we go. Got the windshield put on, got everything put back. Too bad I can't record while I do disassembly and reassemble, but there you go. The windshield is in. Got the wipers on it. About to bag this thing out so the guy could come get it. He was calling me, you know, I don't like when people keep calling me while I'm working on a car. If you bring me a vehicle, let me do my damn job, finish what I finished, then I'll call you. Don't keep calling me like you in a hurry to get this raggedy shit. But I need to make sure I do everything good and make sure everything's correct before I call you. You know, you didn't call me 3, 4, 5 times while I'm working on it. But I'm done with it. I was gonna clean the glass, but shit, I did the best I could do. I let him do that shit. I put it in. He come get this son of a gun. Yeah, I had to do the driver's side window regulator as well. I didn't even put that in the video because, you know, it's January the 10th, I think I said. I just want to get in here, heat my garage up, you know. Propane ain't cheap. You know, he can clean the windows damn self. But that's what I'm using, a 100-pound tank with a 250,000 max heater right there. Propane. This thing heat up my big garage anyway. But it's another job that's well done. Anybody could do it. Like I said, I went through what you have to remove as I went, you know, tackle stuff here and there. But you know, that's how you do it, man. It's real simple. It ain't hard. Alright, peace out. Complete job. About to bag it up so he come get it. Alright. Adioso.